everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day. All right. Hey, Linda. Welcome, Linda. Welcome. All right, guys. Let's go over the markets. We'll start with equities. All right over here. All right. Markets was up again. All right. So the Dow was up today. Dow was up 146 points. Nasdaq was up. S&P was up. Russell and Bitcoin is also up, traded right at 64,000. That's 64,000 mark, guys. As we've been talking about, that's a big resistance. Notice price keep coming to that 64,000 resistance on Bitcoin, all right, which is right here on that weekly time frame, right here. Big picture, weekly time frame. Look at that price action really holding that 64,000 mark. Okay, so we'll see what happens based on what's going on. There's a good chance Bitcoin will move lower. Okay, they're watching that price here. Remember, this was back in 2021, right here. Right, end of 2021, going into 2022, and then here we are. So they're holding that price. Amazing, right? Amazing that they're just holding it right there at 64,000. Amazing. We do have a sell signal on the daily time frame, so we know that. Okay, we have a sell signal on the daily time frame. Let me bring that in here. Hold on. All right, so our sell signal here on the daily time frame. All right, but just remember that 64,000 on Bitcoin. Now we're starting to see buyers are coming back in equities. Okay, slowly coming back in. Not in a big way. All right, so we're not bullish yet. All right, neither are we short. Okay, crazy market. All right. But we are starting to see buyers come in. We've moved the time frame, if you guys can see here, from the daily to the 240. Okay, so just in case, right, the buyers come back in a big way, we'll get a buy signal on the 240 on the Dow. So we'll see an early buy signal if buyers come back in. Okay, so tricky market right now. Right, we were going short. Right now, we're not going short anymore. Kind of settling. Buyers are trying to come in. Okay, so on the Dow, all right, sell short signal. Let me open this again. All right, so remember, we're on the 240 now. Now, we prefer to stay on the daily. All right, a buy signal on the daily or sell short signal on daily is really good confirmation. Okay, but we always look at the 240 when we see turns coming in. All right, from when we're going from short, long to short. All right, we're going from short to long. We'll put it on the 240 to fine tune that entry. Okay, sometimes if we wait on that daily time frame, we might miss some opportunities. Okay, so sell short signal is here. All right, here, white candles. So we're moving up. If we did this here, which is a good practice to do, all right, we could do this, bring our markdown phase here, and then if we do this, just for now on the 240, all right, and then here's our markup phase, and if we get to this target here, we could see, right, this will definitely close here, get up in this area. We could see a buy signal, and we could see this market starting to test all-time highs. I believe all-time highs is right about here. Okay, so market is very, very tough. All right, very tough. Really struggling. The bulls are not trying to give up on this market yet. Here it is, the S&P. All right, sell short signal is here. Look at that, guys. right? Almost a perfect V on the 240 here. All right. Here we are. Mark down and mark up here. All right. Green candles are coming in here. All right. So, right, the sell short signal will need to close and then get a buy signal somewhere up in this area if the buyers continue to push the price higher. If we start getting buy signals on the 240, we'll then move it to the daily time frame. Okay. So just be aware. So short sellers, we don't have a lot of short sellers, but puts, be careful. Even though we're short ETFs, we'll be careful with those. Here, this is the Russell. All right. That short signal close. Look here. It closed, guys. Buyers are coming in. Green candle. Buy to cover. Broke. Previous support becomes resistance. So the Russell actually closed. All right. It's short. All right. Hey, Michael. Welcome. All right. Let's see here. All right. So if we continue to see buying, we'll get a buy signal on the Russell. Uh, so if the buyer's coming in a big way, we'll be ready. We won't be caught off guard. Same thing for the S&P. And sellers could definitely come back in too. Okay. So we have to be flexible right now. And we're not fully in equity, so not a big deal. Okay. All right. Green candles here. All right. Here's your markdown, markup, green candles. This sell short signal has to close in order to get a buy signal. Okay. So um, just be aware of that. The VIX is coming down now. The VIX had made a high. That's our volatility here. All right. So um, a high at 21, didn't stay there, closed at about 18. Now it's at 1467. Remember, the lower this number is, right? That means low volatility, good for stocks, bullish for stocks. High volatility, right? And ideally over 20, bad for stocks. So that volatility is coming back down. So we could see equities move higher. Okay. All right. So overall on the daily, right? Daily right here. Equities are still down. All right. All these indexes are still down. All the sectors are down now. Even energy is down. Utilities are up right now. All right. Energy is down. All right. Holding down on the daily time frame, but we'll still look to see individual stocks for energy. All right. So keep that in mind. Buyers are trying to come back in. They're holding the market up. All right. And looking to push it higher. Okay, looking to push it higher. Okay, so shorts, be careful shorting equities right now. Okay, all right. Futures, the dollar is still holding. All right at resistance. Currently, it's down. E-minis kind of mixed right now. All right, but let's open this up. All right, so dollar index is holding right here, guys. All right, if equities move higher, we'll see the dollar. All right, come on down. Right, that buy signal here will close. Okay, for the equity markets to come down, we need the dollar index right here to move higher, break through that resistance. But they're holding that resistance. Always pay attention, guys, to support and resistance. Okay. All right. Traders are watching these levels. Notice here, right? All that consolidation right at resistance. I know we go through these a lot, but hey, we need to know what they're doing, right? What they're doing so that we can be ready, take advantage of these moves. Okay. So right here, they're holding just like here. All right. Just like here, holding right here. Okay. All right. Now, we don't really care where they go. They break resistance, that's fine. Either way, we can position to take advantage of the move. Okay. All right. All right. So let's go through current positions. That's what's happening with the dollar, Bitcoin, and those indexes and sectors. Okay. Current positions, though, we did had a big pullback overnight in the yen pairs. All right. You guys, I'm sure you noticed that. I'm sure you weren't happy with that move overnight. All right. So let's go through those yen pairs, right? A big pullback overnight. Let's see how they did. All right. So NZD let's move this for now. All right. Buy signal is all the way down here. Buy signal here. Lots of volatility overnight, guys. All right. Buy signal here was moving up nicely. All right. Big spike right here. Look at that. Big spike up, big spike down. All right. I'm assuming news, right? Was news driven. All right. So, but it's still holding. So NZD, all right, a lot of movement here. Look at that. But all green candles still holding, continuing to move higher. Okay, so New Zealand yen, those of you who stayed with it, good job here. New Zealand yen still intact, considering all that movement there. Okay, New Zealand yen. All right, pound yen. All right, pound yen buy signal in here, right here, break of resistance. See that beautiful resistance here, broke buy signal right here, blue arrow right here, all green candles. Look at this move here. All right, from here to here, guys, violent moves. Okay, all right, green candles holding firm here, moving up nicely there. That's pound yen. Aussie yen, same thing. Buy signal here. Price broke. Buyers came in, right? Broke resistance here. Nice price action, right? This big candle here, guys. That was the swing from here to here overnight. All right, but recovering nicely so far. All green candles, nothing to do there. Aussie yen. So on the 240, Swiss yen. Swiss yen, buy signal here. Same thing, guys. Look at this. From here to here, crazy volatility, amazing volatility. All right. You stayed in, right? Good job. White candle here, all green candles here, recovering, moving up now. Okay. So this is what will get us out of trades, guys. This is what will get us out of trades. Now, this is why we don't put stop losses. It's up to you guys, but if we follow the system, all right. If we had put a stop loss, let's say anywhere in this area here, would have certainly gotten stopped out of the trade. Okay, so still holding firm there. Swiss yen, HKD, this one actually gave a sell signal. Okay, so let's take a look at it here. All right, so buy signal here. Let's open it up. All right, buy signal was right here on a break of this resistance. Resistance becomes support. Let me show you guys here. All right, so here is resistance right here. Buy signal right here went up, but look here, that big spike early in the London session, right? Give a sell signal right here to get out. Okay, so we should be out of this trade. HKD, right? Our red dotted line right here. No, it's hard to see. Is our sell signal to get out. Okay, so buy signal here, sell signal here to get out. So HKD, close that trade, please. Right, follow your systems. SGD, JPY, buy signal here. Again, lots of violent volatility overnight. All right, look at that. That's crazy. That's a 300 pip move, guys. All right, 300 pip move right here. Crazy move right here. Okay, but it's holding, recovered, right? Recovered, and it's holding. Buyers are coming back in. So buy signal here and moving up. Hopefully, we could get back to the top here. resistance here, and move higher. So good news. So there's only one that closed, right? The other, what, how many? Five, they are holding and recovering nicely. Okay. So those of you who held on, good job. I know it's not easy when we see this type of this doesn't happen a lot like this, but it does. It will happen from time to time. Aussie Swiss, Aussie Swiss. All right. Buy signal here. Here we are, right at resistance. We're seeing a move in the Aussie pairs too. So buy signal here, moving up nicely, looking to break resistance right here. All right. Right here. Buy signal here. Good trade going, looking to break through resistance. All right. And it's holding that resistance line here. Just need a nice push higher. Aussie Swiss. Aussie dollar, same thing. Buy signal here, holding, moving up nicely. We have sellers are sitting here. All right, guys. So always pay attention to where these sellers are. When we are long, we need to know where these sellers are sitting. All right, so that we can be aware and take profits. Okay, so sellers are here, sitting here, 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 and here. So here we are, buy signal. We're moving up that markup phase. Here is your beautiful markdown phase here. So looks good to get to resistance and hopefully break through that resistance. If we get a white candle in this area here, pay close attention. Might want to take profits, close the trade. All right. Aussie, New Zealand, buy signal here, breaking resistance. Good. This is a reaccumulation trade. So this is a second trade from the markdown phase. Okay, so right here was the first trade. Bought here, sold here. Really good trade, guys. Aussie, New Zealand. Here's the next buy signal here. Moving up nicely. Purple support and resistance. Keep an eye on that. Okay. Might be getting overbought there. So Aussie, New Zealand. Great trade going there. All right. So considering right that crazy volatility in the London session, things are holding up okay. All right. All right, New Zealand Swiss, buy signal here, moving up nicely. All right, and need to get past resistance here. This is where sellers are sitting to knock you back down, knock that price back down. So right here, right here, right here, right here, right, moving up nicely. We need to break through that resistance, get through there. Okay, New Zealand CAD. All right, New Zealand CAD. This is a fairly new trade here, guys. All right. So buy signal right here. We have a few targets. It's getting past resistance here. So let's bring that. Let's bring that in. All right. So resistance, near-term resistance, it's about right here. Buy signal here moving up. We won't call this resistance target all the way up here. Okay. New Zealand CAD. And we are seeing the Aussie, yen, and New Zealand or Kiwi pairs will move together. Okay. New Zealand dollar, buy signal here, moving up nicely. Okay. If the dollar index comes down right here, right, that dollar pair, inverse dollar pair will continue to move higher. Okay. Right here. All right. And then pound dollar, same thing with pound dollar. Okay. All right. Pound dollar, buy signal here and moving up nicely here. And Michael, you got into one of them. Was it pound? Uh, I don't remember, pound cat, one of them. But buy signal here, moving up nicely. First target here. All right. Second target all the way down here. Good markdown phase, but first target right here. This is where sellers came in before here. Keep an eye on that. Euro dollar, same thing, right? Buy signal here, holding firm target. Okay. So, guys, hold on, just hold firm. All right. I know it's not easy, right? That emotion will get to us, but just hold on, hold on. Okay. So we've got some shorts in the dollar pair. So dollar shorts, let's take a look at those. Yeah. All right, dollar shorts. Now we don't care what the dollar does. We, now Since we shorten it, we would like it to go short, but it doesn't matter, okay? All right, so dollar ZAR, USD ZAR, great short going here, guys. Sell short signal is here. All right, support is here. All right, support is here. I want to show you guys a trick here. Okay, I went through this with one of our traders the other day. When you guys see positions like this, where you have a great short going and you have support right here, this is on the 240. Look for exits on your smaller time frame. Okay, so this is a 240. You might want to bring in because you know there's a good chance the price will stop here. All right, here it is right here. All right, it came from here all the way up here to all the way down here. All right, so this is a bit advanced. Okay, what we'll normally tell you, just wait for a white candle or green candle, but you might give up some profits there. Okay, but you can if you know that, hey, this is your floor, this is support here, right? You can go to a smaller time frame, all right, and look for an exit, okay, on a smaller time frame. All right, so you can do a 15-minute, 30-minute, even a 5-minute to kind of fine tune your exit, okay, on there. I'll show you guys quickly. So that's dollar, that's what dollar ZAR. So let's go here, and I'll do this quickly here. So just keep that in mind. Dollar ZAR here on the 240, okay, and we might start showing you guys this more so that you can fine tune your exits. Now, if it breaks through that support, then you might give up some profits there, but that's fine. All right, so monster scalper short, and that's the US. So right here, the US dollar ZAR. So here it is right here. Here is your support here, and this is a good trick here. All right, so here is your support. Where did we say? Right here. Your resistance is here. All right, I'll show you guys this quickly here. All right, so we know we have a sell short signal here, moving down nicely to support. We know buyers will probably come in, all right around here. Here we are right here. So rather than waiting for these big candles, all right, again, this is advance, all right, big candles on the 240, we can go here. All right, here it is, ZAR, dollar ZAR on the 60-minute. All right, we could look for a buy to cover on the 60-minute. All right, and that will help us manage that trade. So we could wait for sellers to keep going. That sell short signal is open on the 60-minute. All right, and wait for it to close. Or we can go here on a 30-minute. Let's see here. See here, sell short signal is here, still holding. So if it gives you a buy to cover signal on the 30-minute, we can get out. All right, and we can play with the different time frames. All right, we can do a 15-minute time frame, so it closed on the 15-minute. All right, so we don't want that. So we could go back here to a 30-minute time frame, and this might be the time frame. It's still holding. So as that price pushes lower here near to support, if buyers come in quickly, we'll get a buy to cover here on that 30-minute time frame. Okay, so just some tips there to help you, right? Those of you who've been trading with us already for a while, just a little trick there, and you can do that on the short and on the long side, okay? Because you've got really good support here. There's a good chance buyers will come in right here, okay? So just keep that in mind. So USD ZAR, good short going. USD HKD, all right, decent short going here. Remember to bring in your lines. All right, sell short signal here, moving down target. So you got really good support. There's a good chance that if that price comes on down, it will land right about here. Again, you can bring in your smaller time frame to manage the exit. Okay, USD HUF. All right, USD DKK, sell short signal here, same thing. Okay, bring in your lines. All right, don't be lazy like me. All right, all right, your markdown phase, all right, markup phase there. Okay, target on this one, support is down here. All right, and even if you get to support, that's lots of pips, guys. Okay. All right, USD DKK, USD PLN. All right, same thing here. Sell short signal here. We got to get past right here. Sell short signal. We need to break through support. All right, target probably down here. We got good support down here. Might settle in this area here though. Okay, but target all the way down here. We need to break through. All right, and we might need help with the dollar index to come on down. Eurozar. All right, Eurozar. Look at Eurozar, guys. Sell short signal here, reach support right here. All right, reach support right here. This is one definitely we would want to bring in smaller time frame to get out. Can it go lower? Absolutely, it could go lower. But boy, if buyers come in heavy, all of a sudden, guess what? You might have to cover all the way up here. All right, so why not take those profits down here, but do it on your smaller time frame? Okay, always good to take profits. All right, always good to take profits. We don't have to get too greedy. All right, and we don't have to total when these price targets are met, we can always right take some profits. Okay, take some profits. All right. Long positions in Forex Dominator. Let's go through those trades. Long positions in Forex Dominator. Yen pairs, so Swiss yen. I'm sure this held fine. All right, so Swiss yen buy signal is here on a break of resistance, holding fine. Let's bring in our trend line here. All right, so decent markup phase here, right? Price got squeezed. Here's your triangle right here. Good resistance, broke resistance in a big way. That volatility that came in this morning, this is what it looks like on that daily time frame right here. Still holding though, all right? Still holding firm. USD CHF, HKD JPY, I'm sorry, CHF JPY, HKD JPY, buy signal here. This is the one here, guys. We were watching, held resistance right here. Finally, buyers came in a big way. This is why we pay attention to support and resistance. All right. Never give up on this trade. Just held it, held it, held it. Big candle now moving nicely higher. All right. HKD JPY and the overall trend in the yen pairs, guys, is up. All right. Solid up. That's the trend. New Zealand yen, right? Same thing. Broke resistance here with the buy signal right here. Blue arrow right here, right? Holding nice break of resistance. I doubt this will come on back. All right. Looks like it's ready to go. Okay. SGD JPY, same thing. All right. Same thing here. Good resistance. Let's move this here. Right here. Good resistance here, here, and here. Big candle, buy signal, broke resistance, now moving higher. Okay. Remember, this is why we pay attention to these areas. All right. USD JPY, same thing. All right. Buy signal here. All right. Resistance here, broke resistance. Big buyers came in here. Big candle. All right. Those big candles, those are big buyers. All right. Moving up nicely right here. Dollar yen. Now, the dollar pairs. All right. So USD CHN. All right. CNH, sell signal came in. Okay, so buy signal was right here. Look here. All right, buy signal was right here on the break of resistance. Never really went anywhere. All right, broke support right here. Resistance becomes support on the way down. Sell signal right here. So buy signal was here. Sell signal was here. Close the trade. USD CNH. Close the trade, please. USD buy signal is here, holding so far. Let's see if it's holding that trend line. Buy signal is here, retraced, holding that trend line Let's hold it for now. See if we can get buyers to come on in. Okay. Push the price higher there. USD okay. All right. Holding firm. Buy signal is here. Nice price action. Higher lows, higher highs, right? Resistance right here. And we have sellers are here. Okay. So, right. Keep an eye on these sellers right here, and here. And they love to short it all the way back down. Look at that. Big candles all the way down here. So here we are, buy signal. So as we get to that resistance, just be aware sellers are here. However, we need it to break through. So if we can get it to break through, that would be good. This is one. As it gets to this area here, bring in your smaller time frames. Okay. Look at your smaller time frames, like your 30, 60 minute. See if they're holding those buyers. Okay. All right. USDN. Okay. Okay. USD that's holding firm here. Buy signal here. Resistance is here. All right. Next target, first target. Actually, we can move this up a bit here. The next target about here. Okay. USD USD SEK. All right. These are decent trades, guys. All right. Most of these trades are holding, and all right. Even the ones that we've had to close. All right. Small loss, small profit. Okay. Buy signal here. Moving up nicely. We have resistance here. I know it's choppy, but it is moving higher. All right. If it can get past, right, sellers here, right, we could see it move higher. Okay. But it needs to get past resistance here. All right. All right. USD SEK right here. Very choppy though. USD SGD. All right. Same thing. Very choppy. All right. Good resistance here. Good support. Buy signal. And it's moving up nicely. It's got to get past resistance here. Buy signal here. A bit of a pullback. Holding firm. All green candles. We do have purple support and resistance. All right. But we need to get past resistance here. All right. Difficult trade. Choppy trade. But if it can break through, just like it broke through here on the downside, we could see it move higher. All right. No shorts in Forex dominator. All right. There are no shorts in Forex dominator. Let's take a look at equities. All right. So stock boss, and mainly what we've got energy stocks. All right. Basic materials in stock boss. Okay. All right. Let's do this. And we'll go through this quickly. So stock boss CRK, let's see how it's doing. All right, CRK, really good markdown, guys. Look at that. That's our discount. All right, we need these markdown phases, all right, to get a lower price. All right, and to buy from sellers, we need sellers to buy from. All right, so good markdown phase, buy signal right here. Buy signal came in at what's that? 896, moving up nicely, close today at 1039. Good trade there. And that is energy. All right, CRK. All right, this is a fairly new one, right? IMPP. I think we got in. When was it? Friday, I believe. All right, so we got it after the pullback. All right, so buy signal was there, retraced, right? Retraced. We got in right in here. Yesterday was it? I'm sorry, Friday, and got a nice update today. Okay, and inexpensive stock too. And this is energy. That's a good one there. All right, so price got squeezed. Here's your triangle. All right, big buyers. Look at these big candles coming in here, guys. I know it's hard to see, but these are big candles. Look at that. All right, big candles coming in here. We love those big buyers. All right, breaking resistance, moving higher there. All right, and we are in the markup phase, so that's reaccumulation. First trade did really well. Second trade going there. Okay, good trade going there. All right, ORGN. All right, finally moving up. I think this is, whose trade is this? I think I think this is Anthony's trade here. All right, good support down here. Good support. Breaking resistance, buy signal here. Look at that, right? So if I know he's still in it, so good job holding it, holding it. Now it's moving higher. Now this trade has a good risk reward. So it fell from $4.53 thereabout. All right, trading at 76 cents, close at 76 cents for the day. All right, so good risk reward on this trade, and it is basic materials. All right, so that's good. PUMP made a move higher all the way to what's that, 920, retraced a bit, closed at $9, but still holding. Good markdown phase, so good selling here. Okay, buy signal moving up nicely here. Okay, so a bit of a pullback from today, but still good. All right, and that's energy. SSRM. All right, another new one here. Let's bring in that markdown phase. So lots of good selling on this one. All right, came in from about $15. Right, so we don't buy the highs, guys. We want to buy the lows. All right, always bring in your lines here. All right, so buy signal here. All right, that's at what came in at 551, closed today at 563. Right, we need to break resistance here. Looks like that could happen soon. We're breaking resistance right here. Here's your resistance right here. Buy signal right here. Blue arrow right here. Okay, and one more in stock boss. Let's bring in our target here. Our target on this one is all the way up here, guys. This is a good risk reward there. Okay, this is where the sellers came in right here. Okay, so target all the way up there. All right, VTNR. All right, good markdown phase. It's holding right here. All right, support is right at 115, trading at what's that? 135, I believe. 127. All right, buy signal was at 174. It's holding. We do need buyers to come on in. Okay, we do need buyers to come on in. Good markdown phase, good risk reward. Fell from $11, guys, and it's trading at 135. So we need buyers to come in. This will be a great trade. Okay, if we can get buyers to come in. So we have white candles. With this one, even if you get a red candle, close it. But boy, I wouldn't forget it. Keep it on your watch list. If buyers come back in, this is definitely one. And that's energy too. And we know what's going on with commodities. Okay. All right. Bull master. We have 3 in bull master. Okay. HCC, buy signal on a break of resistance here. Now, this is way in the markup phase. All right. We had 2 trades already, did really well. So bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, buy signal here, moving up nicely. Look at that price action. All right. And that's energy right here. All right. So 3rd trade, good job. All right. This is a fairly new one here. WFRD. All right, breaking resistance. We got in on Friday. We called it on Friday, right at 127, right close today at 129. Good trade going here. All right, hold on. And we have a nice trend going here. Okay, nice trend line. All right, reaccumulation breaking out here. Okay. And the last one here. Now, this is financial. So this is the only one that's not metals or energy. Okay. So, all right. So here's your upward trend line. Here is your resistance here. Price got squeezed, broke resistance. Buy signal came in here at 54, right? Close today at $69. Okay. All right. So those are all the trades. Let's take a look at, um, let's run Hit Seeker, see what came in on stocks. Now we notice the buying. So we went through, we starting to see buyers come in a bit on the 240, on the Dow, S&P, NASDAQ, and Russell. Okay, so let's take a look to see what stocks are coming through. And we'll start with Stock Boss here. Now, they've been slowly buying. And when I say they, I mean the institutions. Okay, so let's run it. All right, so 37 today. All right, so we're getting more basic material here. Couple of energy stocks. Let's take a quick look. All right, AMBP. All right, so we in PUMP. All right, so we're gonna add. This looks good. AMBP. All right. All right, so good markdown phase, guys. Good markdown phase fell from $12, trading at $3.98. All right, and that is what was that? Basic materials buy signal came in on Friday. All right, buy. Wait a second here. Let me change this. This is on the weekly time frame. We need the daily time frame. All right, let's see here. No, doesn't look as good as the daily. Never mind. Oh no, never mind. Okay, let's keep going here. ORGN, we're in that already. That's gone. That's gone. That's gone. That's all basic materials, guys. Notice they're buying basic material. Look at this, right? These are all gone. That's gone. And we're in this one here. Okay, so nothing in basic materials. Basic materials, that's gold and silver, metals, mining, commodities. Okay, energy, nothing here. And pump, we're in pump already. Okay, all right. All right, Bullmaster. Let's run Bullmaster here. Now, Bullmaster, larger price stocks. Okay, more large caps, over $10. Stock Boss under $10. So 51, guys. So we've got more stocks coming in. So buyers are coming back in. They're amazing. Amazing. All right. So basic material. All right. That's gone. That's gone. That's gone. These are all iron. Right. Gold, silver. That's gone. That's gone. We need a new buy signal. That's gone. Energy. All right. CRK. We're in that one. This could be a good trade, guys. CRK. All right. Good markdown phase. Healthy buying there. All right, AR, that's gone. And this one, we're in this one also. Okay, we'll wait on financials, healthcare, all right, technology. Okay, we need the market to develop more, all right, to catch these. We'll take a quick look at technology here. If we get buy signals on the 240, we will not wait on the daily. We get buy signals on the 240, we'll send out alerts to our Bullmaster stock boss traders on more of these sectors. Okay, but we need to wait, all right, to get buy signals. Okay, on these indexes first. Quick look at Monster Scalper, and we'll be done. I don't think we need to add anything. I think we fully. All right, USD. We're in this one. Most of these we're in Aussie CAD. Uh, Aussie CAD we're not in. New Zealand dollar, Swiss and CAD. New Zealand CAD we're in. We're in most of these except for Aussie CAD. The yen pairs, I think we're in most of the yen pairs, so there's nothing to add here. Nothing to add here. Let's take a look at the pound pairs quickly. All right, pound dollar, pound dollar. Pound dollar, we're in pound dollar. All right, good trade going here. Those of you trading pound dollar, euro dollar, just hold on. All right. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. Two areas, let's say right here, would be your target here. And it's holding firm. All right. So buy signal here, moving up nicely. This is what we want, right? See that price hugging that trend line here, guys? This is what we want. All right. So when we're in trades like this, there's nothing to worry about. No panicking, nothing to worry about. Just all green candles. We know buyers are in control, and we know we have a decent target all the way up here. Okay, so just live. Sometimes we will ruin the trade, right? It's a beautiful trade, and we'll get out of it. All right, because it keeps going up and down. Well, it's supposed to go up and down. All right, so pound dollar holding firm there. Pound SGD. All right. We did not trade this one. A lot of consolidation in here, but boy, if it could get past resistance here, we could see this really push higher. We might come back to that one. Pound PLN. We're waiting for a buy signal here. No buy signal. Pound New Zealand. All right, no buy signal yet. We could see a move in the pound pairs. Pound HKD, we'll go ahead and add pound HKD. Okay. So GBP, HKD, long in monster scalper. Okay. So pound HKD, it's moving, but it hasn't totally left yet. Okay. All right, so here is our markdown phase. So that's our discount right here. All right. All right, buy signal here. It's trading right here. Okay. First target, we've got two targets on this one. First target right here. Here it is right here. Okay. And it's not too late. Ideally, here is our buy signal, but looks like it could move higher there. I wouldn't put a lot on it, right? Put a small trade on it. All right. And then next target all the way up here. Okay. Good trade going here. And most of these are blue. So pound GBP, HKD, pound Swiss, pound Swiss, pound Swiss, pound Swiss. All right. Resistance is right here. Here is where buyers failed before. Here, 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 and here. Here we are getting ready to test it again. All right. So we're going to call this one also, but again, small. Whenever we are moving away from that buy signal, and we don't suggest this all the time, but we could see a move happen here with these pound pairs. Okay. So buy signal here. All right. All right. If it could break through, it looks like we're getting higher lows, higher highs right here. See, prices are moving higher. All right. We could break through that resistance here. Okay. Whenever we have resistance like this, guys, and we break through, that could be good. Okay. So we'll put that down. but put a question mark by that, right? This would not be your first trade, right? This is like a fourth trade, small trade, just a test to see if we can break through. Okay. Pound Swiss, pound CAD. All right, pound CAD, buy signal here. We'll call this one also here. Buy signal here, and that's close to the buy signal there. Okay. We'll do this. A bit tricky here. Not as clean, but all right. So here's your low. All right, buy signal here. And basically, we've got to get past resistance right. Let's call it right here. All right, so if we can get past this area here, we could see price move much higher. So we're seeing a move here in the pound pair. So pound CAD, long in monster scalper. Okay, guys. All right. And pound Aussie, I don't think we have anything here. Pound Aussie. Nothing here with pound Aussie. And we've got decent volatility here in monster scalper. Okay. So US 30 or US 30 traders for futures. Let's see here. And we'll be done. Let's see what we have here. There's a buy signal to go long, right? We didn't call this. We're going to wait to see what develops in the New York session. Okay, so buy signal here. Let's bring this down here. Okay, so, all right. Let's see here. Let's bring this down right here. We have a buy signal. Okay, so what we would like to see is overnight, right? Price consolidate in here and then break above here. If buyers can break above here, we'll call that buy signal. Okay, we'll call that buy signal. On the daily time frame here, on the US 30, remember, right? We getting sellers are coming in, but price is moving higher. If buyers come in and we get back into the box here between support and resistance, okay, that buy signal on the 60 will start to move. If we break through this resistance, guess what? Market's long again. Okay, so we have to be flexible with our thinking. Yes, overall, we might, right? Selling may and go away, but guess what? That doesn't matter. The markets will tell us what to do. Okay. All right. Lots of good trades, amazing trades in monster scalper. Those yen pairs, guys. Great recovery. Right. I thought those were done this morning. I thought those yen pairs, all these yen pairs were done, but they recovered nicely after a bit of some selling, all right, in the London session. All right, guys. All right, so pay attention to your trades. A lot of volatility out there. Okay, a lot of volatility. So pay attention to your trades, but there are opportunities, lots of opportunities. Okay. All right. Take care. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Thanks for coming, guys. Thanks for coming. Take care. Bye-bye.